Painting interior woodwork, such as doors, surrounds, skirtings, etc. is not difficult, but it's time consuming. Think of it as 3 stages: preparation, undercoating and top coat. Stage 1, preparation. Here's an example. Before starting, put down a dust sheet and remove the catches and latches. Give it a clean while it's off. Use masking tape if you want. Ready to start painting? No. You need to prepare the existing paintwork first. You'll need sandpaper, and the grade will depend on how bad the existing paintwork is. For a serious work, use a grade P80 down to P120, which is finer. Use a sanding block and sand with the grain and never across it. Sort any damaged. Polyfiller and wood glue is a great filler. Fill the defects with filler and leave it to dry. Use a sanding block again. Brush off the dust. Now, a bit about brushes. My opinion, the best brushes are natural bristle type. Synthetic's not so good. Undercoating stage 2. An undercoat is essential to get a good finish, and a water-based paint is fine for indoor work. This is a water-based undercoat. Always stir the paint before you start. Lightly load the brush and apply paint in the direction of the grain. Stage 3, top coat. Once the undercoat has completely dried, rub it down lightly with a very fine sandpaper. Worn sandpaper works. Rub it down very lightly. Now the top coat depends on the finish you want. Gloss dries the hardest, most durable and easy to clean. Satin, similar to gloss, low shine, not so easy to clean. Quick dry gloss is softer and it really is not great for indoor. Remember to stir. Spread it lightly. Remove any loose hairs. And that's your gloss finish. Refit the catches and the latches, etc. Job done. Now here's some tips for your painting. Use masking tape if you must, but practice painting without it. In cold weather, warm the gloss paint to get it to flow. Now carpets can be a problem. Fitted carpets, sand down as far as possible, vacuum all the dust particles and push an 1/8 of inch thick plywood down into the carpet and continue painting. Here's a tip: after cleaning your brush, tape it up to keep the shape. If you have to stop, clean the brush on a rag and pop it into some white spirit. Then you can resume afterwards, clean the white. If you find the gloss is too thick, use some white spirit. That's all, folks. Thanks for watching.